In this lesson, we're going to learn how to start adding elements or swapping elements with a template. So if we drop down to the elements page, you'll see that there's a number of different categories. We have shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, etc. And to see more of them, you can just click on the See All. Within each category, there are subcategories and there's collections and all kinds of stuff. The way that I personally use elements is often by searching. For example, I might like this template, but I might want to change up the photos. So maybe I type in skateboarding, and now we have under skateboarding search, we have graphics, photos, videos, and then we can click within any of those here. So here we can find an image of a skater. To add it to our design, we can click it, or if we already have an image, Canva makes it super easy to just drag and drop it into any of these photos here, and it will just swap it for us. So let's go and click back to elements. Maybe we want to add some sort of squiggle or paintbrush stroke to this image. So I'm going to search that. Now under graphics, I'm going to search for the one that I like best. There's a lot of pro ones, but I think this one's pretty cool. Now, once a new element appears on your canvas, we can move it around by clicking on it. We can resize it by hovering and clicking over on the corner. We can rotate it by clicking that rotate button here. And we saw up here this toolbar that appears. For each type of element, we're going to have different options. But for example, for this one, we have color, and we might want to change it to something else. We're going to look in depth at changing colors in the future, but we quickly see some photo colors. So Canva actually takes colors from our images, and we can actually select that. And it kind of creates this cool vibe that's connecting everything in our image. In the same way, if we want to add text, you just click the text button. Here are a number of font combinations that they have that you can kind of use just pre-built out templates. Or if you want to add something from scratch, you can either choose add a text box or one of these styles. Typically for social media graphics, I'll be adding a heading, and you could change the style and sizing after the fact. So if you start with a subheading or a text box, you can always change the size of our text after the fact. And here we can go in, we can select our text, and we can edit it. And so maybe we add hashtag Cali, and we're going to move this around. So we're just going to click it and move it this way. We might not like that font, so we're going to drop down our font menu here. And here we could change our font. We're going to click handwriting to find something that might look a little bit more the style we're going for. And once we find the style we like, that looks pretty good. And we might want to change the color. So let's click text color. Maybe pick that same brown that we added down here so it kind of matches. Or you might want to pick something that's completely different so it kind of stands out from the background. That's your design choice. Now, this is going to look different than if you are starting from scratch, or we click add a new page and we have this blank canvas where we can start adding elements. And in the next lessons, we're going to dive into adding text and photos and the different options for all of these different types of elements. But for now, I just want you to play around with it. See all of the options we have. We've got things like charts and tables. And if you don't see it here, all you have to do is search for it. So I'm going to give you a high five. You can see here, this is a pro option. So we have that watermark, and to upgrade, you can click remove watermarks or wherever to upgrade to pro. But right now I'm giving you a virtual high five because now you know how to add elements to your design. In the next lesson, we're going to dive into working with layers and more of these options up here in the toolbar for common elements. We'll see you there.